So, good afternoon everybody. So, this is my tea. Chachaparaulia and then vinegar and my tapa. Taksil na pata pala. And then my rice. So, ito yung kakainin ko ngayon. So, let's ayan, nasa trabaho. Kakain. So, it's my break. Handa ko lang. And then, paborito ko to. Binigay to ng kasamahan ko. Which na, I really like pork paksiw. Pero pata siya. Ang sarap. Okay. Ito yung rice ko. Mumukbang ako. Ako lang magmumukbang. Then, lagyan ko siya maraming sili. Kasi wala naman akong chili na ito lang yung madaling dalhin sa trabaho. And then, I like to put some vinegar. And then, sabi ng friend ko, kailangan daw, pag iinom ka daw ng tsa, inom ka na daw ngayon. Bago ka kumain. Kaso, ang init-init pa niyan. Paano mo may iinom yan? Seriously. That's too hot. So, pati pagkain ko mainit din. Hindi ko alam kung paano ginagawa ng iba na kumakain sila ng ang bilis-bilis nilang kumain. Pero ito yung top room namin ngayon. Ako lang muna kumakain. Wala pa yung mga kasama ko. Nauna na ako kasi mamaya ako din mo unang aalis. Sarap. Lalo na yung taba. Ano? Sabi ng friend ko, mag-jetta na daw ako. Tuwasan ko daw yung rice ko. Ang daling sabihin, no? Pero ang hirap gawin. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, magdadagdag na lang ako ng exercise. Hindi naman exercise. Kumbaga sa ano, naglalakad-lakad na ako. Kaya ayoko maglakad para lang kumain pa ng dagdagan yung kain ko. Lalo na, di ba, pag mga ganitong pagkain, ang sarap-sarap, mga pata yan. Sarap. Super ga. Ang sarap. Hindi ko siya pagpapalit. Gusto ko magluto ng mga ganito. Kaso nga, hindi ako magaling yung sa paglilinis. Medyo masipag ako. Buti na lang yung kasamahan ko nagluto. Nagbigay. Thank you sa blessing. Gusto ko rin. Ang sarap-sarap niya. Ito yung mga masarap na mga pagkain. Bahito ko to sa atin eh. Pero gusto ko kasi yung naluto na siya. Yung malambot na malambot. Yun ang gusto ko. Nakalimutan ko kumuha ng serviette. So guys, busin ko muna to. Thank you for watching. Ang sarap niya talaga. Kaso nga lang. Nag-test ng mga kasamahan ko. Ano? Ewan ko kung gusto nila sumama sa video ko, pero yan, sarap. Laurel, more rice. Tapos sa bahay meron akong bagoong. pag nangangasim ako, nilalagyan ko ng maraming suka. Minsan kinakain ko lang yung bagoong na may suka. But right now, nakain ako ng ganito. Maraming. Tapos may laurel na naman. Daming laurel. Kahapon ang sarap ng kinain namin. Ganito din. Tapos may kaso nga lang may garlic. Which na ang sarap-sarap. May garlic siya. And then, yung mga kinakain sa mukbang na garlic, gumawa yung kasamahan ko. Ang sarap. Nilagyan niya daw ng rice wine, something. And then, tapos kulay green siya. And then, nilagyan niya ng suka. And then, sugar. Ang lasa, guys, hindi siya lasang bawang pa rin. Pero, hindi yung, pag kinain mo yung bawang na lasang-lasa mo. Yun parang ang sarap na lang yung ngatin. Yun yung lasa. So, eto siya. Yan yung favorite kong kainin sa part ng pata. Yung mga yung mga cartilage. Ang sarap. Super. Super. Oh, that's a lot. Nagmumukbang ako. Yeah. I'm doing my mukbang with the pata. You enjoy my mukbang? Why you have the same? See guys, parang sila ng mag. Thermoflask. O ito daw yung uso ngayon.
Hydroplast.
Hydroplast?
This is this is thermoplast, not hydroplast.
Thermoplast. Ito yung ito ba yung yayamanin?
No. That's our Costco.
This is from Costco. Ito yung imitation. Imitation?
No. That's a different brand.
Yung sikat daw yung thermo something.
Hydroplast.
Hydroplast.
That's Costco, okay? Costco.
Yeah. Cusco. So, bibili ako ng Hydroplast. Kasi, sabi ni Teresa, yung may Hydroplast daw sa atin, yayamanin. Piling ko din mayaman ako.
I need Berna. Ha? I need Berna. Where's Berna?
So, yan yun. Yan yung mga nila, paraw sila.
Surely starting with Berna and Ron, right? Sure. Okay. Only Berna and Ron, right?
Yeah. Ganito ang namin, break time namin. So, kakain kami. And meron kaming mga barrier. So far right now because of COVID. Ano yung mga barrier namin. Tapos yung isa nung kakain. Tapos yung isa ganyan. Kasi bawal kaming tabi-tabi. Medyo strict pa rin kami dito. And kailangan pagka AL stop lang. Yan na namin. So, ako, ito yung paborito kong spot. Kasi pag nakatingin ka doon banda, makikita mo yung mga pumapasok na mga visitors. And before, I usually help sa front. Kaya nakikita ko, minsan kumakain ako tapos habang titingnan ko. Kasi at that time, hindi pa ganun kadami ang pinapayagan na pumunta. Pero ngayon, madami na. So, we have our own, yung nasa front desk. Say hi, Harjit. I'm doing my mukbang. Say hi to my vlog.
Your sister?
No? Me, I'm so pretty.
No.
That's Harjit. I'm doing my mukbang video. I'm gonna put it on...
No, not me. I think that's her.
No! I already start.
Why?
I already start my thing. I cannot erase it.
I don't want to come and do it.
It's in my mukbang. You know what? Want me to do it again? Do you want me to eat again? Here's this.
Here, it will be okay.
That's, yeah, you can put there. That's Gisila's food.
No, this is Patricia.
Is that Patricia? There's another one with Gisila. Yeah. Mm-hmm. What's your food?
Roti.
She's gonna have roti. Roti. I thought roti.
Why may not give it to you? I don't understand.
No.
Why?
Yeah.
You're not mad?
No.
What?
By the way, supposed to have a bracelet, but my friend didn't give it to me, so now it's okay. He's not my friend anymore.
He's not your friend?
Mm-mm.
Oh. That's why he not give it to you.
He's not my friend anymore. If I don't get the bracelet, he's not my friend anymore. I'm waiting for the bracelet.
You looking at you?
You look a new one. Oh my God, it's so good. This food is so good. Actually, guys, I can eat more. What's the thing, eh? I think that's Teresa's. We were gonna have the salad. I'm doing my mukbang.
What is mukbang?
It's like you're eating and then you show it to them. And Harjeet doesn't want to share his rota to me. So she's not my friend anymore. She don't eat meat and fish. She only eats vegetable. She's vegetarian. And then she's not sharing her food. So it's okay. I can eat my own food. I'm starting my diet anyway, so I'm not gonna eat somebody else's food. I'm just gonna eat my own food. I try my best. By the way, this is not my own food. Somebody gave it to me. Gina. Gina, give me the pata. Or did just like wondering, who am I talking to? I'm talking to myself and talking to everybody because this is my mukbang. Gina, I said, this is the one you cook. And Harjeet said, who are you talking to? I'm talking to myself.
Yeah.
She said, I'm mental. No, I'm not. I'm doing my mukbang. See, I'm so pretty. So flat. Yeah. What's going on with you? I eat the pata and then I run out of ulam. So, everybody's here. Okay. Almost done.
I have the garlic again.
Oh, she got the garlic, but oh my goodness, it's only a few minutes, I'm done. So guys, I'm almost done. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Teresa's like staring at me. I'm here to.
It's like,
Kaya naman pa talaga ako sa...
Thank you for watching.